Hey, groovy guys and gals, it's Barry again with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a Wollensak 8056, and this will be a quick little test. These all come in for bad motors, so we're basically just going to make sure they play and play at the right speed and all that. So let's pop in some Neil Sedaka. I hope I have it hooked up. It's been a couple hours since I played with this machine. There we go. Okay, quick check, make sure we got both of our speakers. Alrighty, change tracks a bunch of times. Okay, we're at the end of a song there. Let's crank it up. Make sure we have no music between tracks. Oop, I forgot about that auto eject. Let's turn that off for a moment. Alrighty, hit our eject, and there we go. Oh, forgot to say who this came from. This comes from Ken in North Platte, Nebraska. And if it weren't for Ken, I probably would get no jobs at all from Nebraska. So thank you, Ken. It's nice to get a job from Nebraska once in a while. Okay, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. These Wollensaks always come in for bad motors. It's becoming pretty well known that Wollensak motors just don't go the distance. They lose a lot of their torque. This one, I believe, came in. It was actually playing fine when I first got it, and the customer said that it played fine for about 5-10 minutes, and then it just starts slowing down, and speed goes all over the place. And that's a telltale sign. One of the telltale signs of a Wollensak motor going bad. So I'm your Wollensak guy. I've got the motors to. They're not the exact replacement, so I'm the only one that can put them in. You got to make them work, basically. But as you can see, they do quite well. So my website is in the description below. I also do classic car radios. I can add FM and Bluetooth, USB, and all that stuff. You can find all that information on my website, which is in the description below. And my phone number is 928-533-9666. Thanks so much for watching and listening, guys. See you next time.